Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. And unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your smart band with another device. Maybe you want to sell it, give it away, anything that would require you to disconnect it from your iPhone and your account. So let's get started. To unpair our smart band, find the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone your smart band is paired with, open it, and then tap on device. Here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band. Now scroll down, tap on additional settings, and here you should see this unpair button. Tap on it, tap on OK. If you see this pop up, you can tap on settings, then go back to main page of settings. Here find the where's the main page of settings? Oh, here. Once you're in the main page of settings, tap on Bluetooth and check if the smart band is still right here on the list. If it's still on the list, tap on the info icon. Next to it, tap on forget this device and forget device. And once you remove it from here, you can close the settings and the app. And that's how you unpair the smart band from the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.